If you want to increase customer satisfaction and maybe encourage repeat purchase, you can send them a thank you email after their first purchase. Thanks to Pop-Up Smart's Shopify-based triggers, you can engage visitors with targeted emails based on their actions in your store. And in this video, I'll show you how to create a thank you email automation after the first purchase of your customers. For this, you're going to need a Pop-Up Smart account. If you don't have one, you can create for free. And then you're going to have a Shopify store, of course, and you need to verify your Shopify store on your Pop-Up Smart account. And then continue with email automations, which is on the left-hand panel, and then choose thank you email first purchase. You need to name your automation and then choose the correct domain if you have multiple domains. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we are welcomed by the trigger page. This is where you can change the trigger if you want to. We'll continue with thank you email. Click next to delay. And then on the delay page, you can just arrange the wait time before sending the email. I'll go with 10 minutes. So when someone makes their first purchase, 10 minutes later, they will receive the thank you email. Let's click next to mail. Okay, you can change your subject line. You can go creative with that. You can just add some emojis maybe. Then we have the sender's name. This could be your store's name or your name maybe. And then we have the reply to email. This is where you're going to receive all the replies to this thank you email. So it could be yours, or if you have a customer support email, you can just enter that as well. Then you can send a test email to see how the email looks. But before we send the test email, let's edit the content first. Okay, this is a ready-to-use email template. You can use it as it is by making just small changes on it, or you can just click change email template to see other ready-to-use templates. If you like them better, you can continue with them. And then from the general style, you can choose a font. Maybe you can just change the background color or body background as well. Then we have the header. This is where you can add your logo or your company's name, store's name. Maybe you can arrange its size. Similarly, you can change the image and arrange its size as well. Then we have the heading and we have the other text. Here you can see a coupon code. But if you don't want to give any coupon codes after their first purchase, you can just choose to hide it. And then we have the button. Of course, you can just hide it as well. Okay, we have some social buttons. You can add product cards if you want to display your products on the email as well. We have the footer for unsubscribe and privacy policy links too. Once you're happy with your email, go back to general and you can now send the test email. So you can send it to multiple emails as well. Once you're happy with everything, just save it and turn on the status. Okay, now our email automation is activated. So when someone makes their first purchase on your store, they will receive the thank you email. So it is this easy creating a thank you email flow with Pop-Up Smart email automation. You can go ahead and try it out for yourself. Let us know what you think. And if you have further questions, feel free to contact us.